Look, if you're tuning in, you probably just survived another marathon board meeting or you got that email. You know the one. The principal made a call you absolutely hate. Maybe they killed a beloved event or changed a policy out of nowhere. I've sat through more decades of school politics and procedural chaos than I care to admit. And take it from someone who has seen it all, how you handle this exact moment dictates your entire year.
I know what your gut is screaming at you to do right now. You want to draft a fiery, multi-paragraph email at 11:30 p.m. Just step away from the keyboard. That draft sitting in your outbox is not a strategy. It's a career-limiting move in the volunteer world.
Here's the cold, hard reality check we all face eventually. You just cannot afford to go to war with the principal. They hold the keys to the kingdom. You need them for room access, calendar dates, the spring carnival sign-off, the whole shebang. Basically, your entire group runs on this one relationship. The trick isn't avoiding disagreement entirely. It's doing it so the working relationship actually survives to see Tuesday morning. I've repeated this to rookie board members 1,000 times, like some kind of tired mantra. You have to lead with "help me understand" way before you lead with "you're wrong." You just have to walk in assuming they had an actual reason for saying no. Because 9 times out of 10, there's some hidden budget line, an obscure district rule, or liability nightmare that literally nobody bothered to tell you about. Pure curiosity gets you so much further than outrage. So, rule number 1, never ambush them. Do not blindside the principal in an open meeting, the PTA group chat, or, heaven forbid, the school Facebook page. Cornering an administrator publicly is just a total rookie mistake. It guarantees a defensive no because you've just forced them to protect their authority in front of an audience instead of actually weighing your idea. Instead, use the private sit-down, ask for 5 private minutes, name a shared goal, and bring a solution. Nobody, and I really mean nobody, enjoys the volunteer who shows up with a massive list of complaints and absolutely zero ideas. Come with a fix, or at least a compromise you can stomach. Hand them a pass to a yes. If you hand them a brick wall, they're just gonna hand one right back. Look, phrasing is everything in these rooms. Saying, "Why did you move our date?" squares off across a table and basically begs for an argument. But saying, "I'm worried the state will tank turnout," acknowledges you both want a successful event. It's the exact same concern, just, minus the boxing gloves. You also have to follow the absolute, unbreakable rule of these meetings. Aim your frustration at the issue, never the human. Saying this policy will cost us volunteers is totally fair game. Saying you clearly don't care about the school is a slam door. And trust me, a slam door cannot be unslammed. They will remember how you made them feel long after they've forgotten the specifics of whatever scheduling fight you are having. Here's a little secret. You get exactly 2 issues a year worth spending your hard-earned goodwill on. 2. That means you do not have to fight every single decision. Let the small stuff go. I promise you, the font on the bake sale flyer really does not matter. Save your political capital for the decisions that actually impact the kids or the core mission. But what happens when it's not just small stuff? You really have to know the difference between a bruised ego and a genuine crisis. A choice you just don't love, like a preference or a scheduling change, is just a disagreement. Keep it private or let it go. But if it's unsafe, discriminatory, or actually against the law, well, that's a real problem. That's when you take it up the chain to the district or school board, calmly and in writing. Don't blow up a relationship over a calendar change, but definitely don't stay quiet just to keep the peace if a kid is actually being harmed. So the next time you get a no, I want you to honestly ask yourself, are you solving a problem right now, or are you just burning off steam? Leading effectively means sometimes accepting a call you really don't love without torching the entire partnership. Check your ego at the door, prioritize a long-term relationship over a momentary victory, and just put your energy into the next thing that actually matters. Now, take a breath, permanently delete that email draft, and I'll see you at the next 3-hour meeting.